This GMC Terrain had less than 150 miles on it when it got hit by a flying golf ball at our customer's residence. The metal was stretched, and for us to be able to make a repair like this, it takes hundreds of sharp pushes to shrink that metal in order to make the surface flat again. In addition to PDR rods, we use knockdown tools of various shapes, sizes, and made from different materials. All of those you can see Barton using on this repair. Because of where this dent was located on the quarter panel, we were actually able to go in through an access point inside the taillight area with our rods, which isn't always the case. It just depends on what vehicle you have and where the dent is located on the panel. All vehicles are different, especially when we're talking about what kind of access we'll have to get our tools behind the dent. Sometimes quarter panels have inner structures that are blocked off. Sometimes on other panels like doors and hoods, we deal with bracing. So having the access and leverage that we need can be tricky, and these are things that we take into consideration when we're estimating a dent repair. As you can see, this dent repair turned out really nice, and really the only other option for this customer would have been to take it to a body shop and get the dent filled with filler and repainted. So by choosing to have paintless dent removal, he was able to keep his original paint finish, which is always best. So whether you've got a door ding, hit a palm tree, or you don't know where your dent came from, PDR could be a great solution for you. If you're in or near Destin, Florida and needing dent removal, contact Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair today.